Hey beauties, it's Jaded Beautiful. I'm going to be doing a video today on combinations of primer, moisturizer, and foundation. The right way to pick out these combinations based on certain tips that I'm going to teach you. I'm going to share with you some of my favorite combinations to use, and I just want to share with you some things that I think could benefit or you maybe could learn from that will help with a lot of different things with the way your makeup sits on your face, the way that it appears, how long it wears, and just some things like that. So if you want to see a video on this, then keep on watching. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is to know how to pair together the proper primers, moisturizers, and foundations. So the first thing that you want to look for and to know how to pair these together is to look for the very first ingredient. Like on this one, it says Aqua is the very first ingredient. You're going to want to look at that on the ingredients list on all of your products. So for your moisturizer, you want to look for the first ingredient or in the top 3 ingredients. So it's either going to say Aqua or silicone. So if you have a moisturizer that says Aqua, you're going to want to pair this moisturizer with a primer that is a water-based primer. One of my favorites is the L'Oreal Magic Lumi. I like this one. It's one of my favorites. Another one of my favorites is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. Pretty much any moisturizer or any primer that is going to have like kind of a moisturizing feeling to it. You probably know the difference that I'm speaking of between a silicone feel primer and a water-based primer. Water-based primers tend to have more of like a moisturizing or a lotion feel to them, as opposed to the silicone-based primer that feel more like they have more of a velvet feel, more of a soft. Those are usually the pore-filling primers, those are the ones that are silicone based. So you're going to want to see, okay, so the first ingredient in the L'Oreal True Match Lumi is Aqua. So since you have a water-based moisturizer and a water-based primer, you're going to want to use a water-based foundation. Of course, one of my favorites is the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. This is water-based. Wet n Wild Photo Focus is also water. CoverGirl, Ready, Set, Gorgeous, and so on. I'm going to share with you my favorite combinations here in just a minute. So you just want to make sure that you're pairing water-based with water-based and silicone-based with silicone-based, because this is going to give you the best effect. It's going to look more airbrushed. It's going to sit well together. All 3 of those will sit well together. If you've ever wondered, why does this primer not sit well with this foundation, or for some reason this primer isn't working right with this foundation or this moisturizer or whatever, it may be because those first ingredients are different, and we all know that oil does not mix with water, so it's not going to mix well on your face. So just make sure you are pairing those together according to their first ingredient. Okay, so this is going to help with, like I said, blending. It's going to help with longevity. And do you know how sometimes you get those spots on your face where you get like this weird separation? Mine happens on my nose most of the time. When I do this, 90% of the time, this does not happen. So this really does help a lot. It helps with the longevity. Your makeup is going to last so much longer, guys. It is going to stay on your face all day long if you pair them correctly. Water-based with water-based, silicone-based with silicone-based. So these are just a few of my favorite combinations. Right now, I like to use the Pacifica Cactus and Kale Moisturizer. It's the oil-free renewal lotion. Just look for oil-free if you're wanting anything water-based. That's my favorite moisturizer right now that's water-based. I like the L'Oreal Magic Lumi Primer. It gives you an amazing radiance to your skin. a healthy glow to your skin. It's also really good for mixing in with your foundation. If you want to mix primers in with your foundation, definitely make sure that they are both water-based or both silicone-based, because they're not going to mix if they're not. So, L'Oreal Magic Lumi, and then I've got the Dream Liquid Mousse Foundation. That's one of my favorite water-based right now. Another example of my favorite water-based, of course, Pacifica. Okay. And then I go in with, I've been using my Maybelline Dream BB for a primer a lot lately. It gives me a little bit of coverage, and it also is wonderful as a primer. It gives you a nice tacky surface to work on. With my CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous, or my Wet n Wild Photo Focus. Those are some good water-based, oil-based moisturizers. My new Clinique moisturizer is wonderful for that. And then I'll go in with the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer or the NYX Angel Veil. This is absolutely amazing. For drugstore primer, this fills all of your pores, and it also just gives you this extreme velvety feel to your skin. It literally makes your face feel like a cloud. It's beautiful, a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful product. NYX Angel Veil. And most oil-based foundations that you're going to find are going to come in a stick. So most stick form foundations, if you're using a silicone-based primer, look for a lot of stick foundations have silicone base in them. So my stick foundation that I use right now is the e.l.f. Moisturizing Foundation Stick. This also has some really good skincare in it. It has shea, vitamin E, cocoa, grape, avocado, macadamia, and aloe in it. It just makes my skin feel super, super moisturized and super healthy when I use this foundation. The only other liquid type foundation that I have right now that I enjoy that has silicone in it is the Ulta Beauty HD Soft Focus Liquid Foundation. This is silicone based. It's a great price, and it gives you a beautiful finish as well. So those are my favorite pairings to do right now. So just to recap and just to remind you ladies, pair water-based products together. So a water-based moisturizer with a water-based primer and a water-based foundation. If you're not sure of the ingredients or the base ingredients in any of the products that you may be using at home, just Google it, search it, and it'll give you a list of most products right there on Google. That's how I found out what my Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation, what the base ingredient of it was, because of course it does not say it on the actual packaging. So, and I do not have the original box to it still, so, and I'm sure it's on that, but it's not on this packaging. Just Google it and find out. And just pair those together. Pair silicone-based with silicone-based and water-based with water-based. And I'm telling you, you will notice an extreme difference in the way your foundation blends out, the way it sits on your skin, and how long it lasts you. So I hope you learned something from this video. I know the first time that I heard this, I definitely learned something, and I saw a huge improvement in my makeup from that point on. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Maybe give this a share. Share it with your girlfriends or your friends, and maybe they can benefit from learning this as well. I also want to ask you, ladies and gentlemen, to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Become part of the Jaded Beautiful family. Get jaded and just keep on watching my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. And I love you all so much, and I hope you have a great evening, day, morning, night, wherever you are. And I'll see you guys in the next one, all right? Love you guys. Bye-bye.